Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna review Nikon 50mm f1.8D lens. So guys, this one is actually a D lens, not a G lens. This is the G lens. You can see 50mm f1.8G. So the main difference between this and that one is that this lens doesn't have the autofocus motor built in inside it. So in order to autofocus using this lens, you would need a camera like D7100, D7000, D90 or D80, which has the focus motor built in inside it. So you can see that this one has this screw. So this screw is attached to this part here. So when I'm trying to rotate it, you can see this screw is moving. So the focus motor inside the camera attaches to this and then tries to autofocus this lens. So once you have this kind of camera body, it will autofocus perfectly fine. There would be no problem whatsoever, and the image quality that you're gonna get out of this camera is nowhere worse compared to this one. In fact, like if you rate them on a scale of 1 to 20, so if this is 20, then this would be 19 and there would be no problem whatsoever. Well, one drawback with this lens is that when you are trying to autofocus this on the camera body, so it can make some kind of a noisy noise when it is trying to autofocus, and that is understandable because it is trying to move the element like this. So now you can see it will try to okay, I'm in the manual focus. Now I'm in the autofocus, so you can hear the focus noise. So this is not that ideal when it comes to making videos. One another good thing about this camera is that about this lens is that the front element is very much inside, so you don't actually need a lens hood for that. But there is a lens hood available for this one which you can buy, but you don't need it actually. And the sharpness, the colors and the image quality out of this lens is really very awesome. I'm gonna put onto the screen the photos that I've taken with this lens, and personally I really love the photo. The bokeh that I got with this was really awesome. And like if you compare it with the other lens, of course the bokeh is slightly better on this one, but not by much. In terms of pricing, like this one costs around if I talk about like in terms of like the US dollar, this one costs around $200 and this one is almost half. And if you get it used, you can get this one for 50 or 60 US dollar. So there is a huge price difference, but the image quality does not differ by much for both of them. And I would also put some of the sample photos that I've taken with this camera, and personally I liked the result with this lens, the 50mm f1.8D. So if you are on a tight budget and you want some cheap and reliable lens, and you already own D7000 or D90 or D7100 or any of the full frame cameras, then you can use this lens. And guys, this is a full frame lens, so you can use it on your Nikon FX full frame cameras as well, and you gonna get great result with this. And if you want to do videos as well, you can do that as well, but try to maybe use the manual focus when you are using the video, or try to first fix the focus and then switch it to manual focus, so that it doesn't try to change the focus or hunt a bit. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And please do follow me on Instagram as well. I often do some kind of a live session. If you have any question, just you can shoot me there at my Instagram. I always reply to each and every question. You can also put the question over here in the comment as well. And I see you in the next video with a new gear, new lens or new camera. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.